angels, welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome. If you are new and you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. If you haven't already, I really would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, get updated every single time that I upload a video, which is once a week here on my channel. So today guys, I'm collaborating again with a lovely bunch of ladies to bring you an exciting video. So I'm collaborating with Shelly Shalaka, Lisa the Curvy Cuban, and Candice from Candice Hampton. I will link all their channels down below, so please be sure after watching this video to go and show them some love as well. So, not gonna lie, I didn't know that there was a National Donut Day. Not a clue. We don't celebrate that here in the UK, I don't think anyway, but as of today, we are on my channel. Don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I am in my PJ top because we're still in lockdown here in the UK, so I'm just keeping it real. I have cut my face, like I told you in my last video. I was shaving my face like I normally do, and Maisie, my little chihuahua, decided to bark randomly and I made me jump, hence this little cut on my face. I am wearing like donut top knots, so I thought that would be cute, and I haven't got a clue where I'm going with this video, not gonna lie guys. I've already done my skincare, so I look a little bit shiny. So quite quickly, I'm just gonna put on some foundation. This is just the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour All That Jizz foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. I have been liking this since I've been using it. I didn't really like the foundation that they brought out with this. I'm going to set that in place with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is in 001 Transparent. I am going to bronze up a little bit. I'm going to use the MUA Makeup Academy bronzer. This is in the shade Solar. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. So now's the fun part, and I'm going to do my eyebrows like pink. So I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette by Stacey Marie, and we're gonna just jump into this pink here. So I'm just gonna brush them through with a bit of clear brow gel. This is just from Model Co. I'm now going to go in with my P. Louise base. This is Ruma 0.5, and I'm just going to put a bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply that all to the eyelids. I'm going to go into this shade called Full Rush, and it's a bit of a pinky, yeah, a bit light pink. So I'm just going to pop that all over the lid, and I'm just using this little brush from eBay. Sorry if you can hear Tony in the background. Obviously he's still off work, so he's playing on his video games, as probably the most of the men in the world are, to be honest, because they haven't really got much else to do. I'm going to then go into the shade Funky, which is that bright neon pink, and I'm going to go on top of that first shade with the same brush. I'm then gonna just cut the crease in the middle, so like a little semicircle in the middle with that P. Louise base. Peppermint, and pop that all over that concealer or P. Louise base. That is a gorgeous shade. So now I'm going to use this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm going to try and do the outlines of the donut. My hands are not the steadiest, so we shall see how this turns out. So now I'm not going to breathe for a second. Think that looks alright. And then I'm just going to do the icing splodges around the eye on the pink. And that's my little donut. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and we'll be back. I mean, it's not the best, but it's okay, I suppose. I don't know. So the next part is to put a bit of icing over the nose and the cheek. So I'm going to be using the Obsessions little eyeshadow. It can be used as blush as well. So this is called Bloom, and it's a sister from Revolution, so it's like a sister brand. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Jessup's Face Shaper brush, and I'm just going to literally pop that all over like it's frosting and icing all over my face. And now with the NYX liquid white eyeliner, I'm going to do it like there's little droplets coming down, so bear with. Hoping this turns out okay. I'm gonna let that dry a little minute. I've then got some of these, so I'm just gonna put these on as little frostings. So I've got these from like the pound shop. And 3 there. And the last thing to do, guys, is lips. So we're going to do some nice and lovely lips. So for lip liner, I'm going to be using my MAC lip liner in Whirl. And for lips, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in Fuchsia. Then I'm going to be putting on the PS XXL Plump in the shade As If. Just to give it that little bit of a frosted look. And then going to go back on the under eyes because we're not quite finished with the under eyes yet. And I'm going to go into this shade which is called Wasted, which is a purple shade, and I'm just going to take that on an angled liner brush. So guys, this is my final look for my donut inspired makeup collaboration look. So this is what I've come up with. For saying I've never done these kinds of looks before, I'm absolutely loving how this look turned out. So be sure to check out all the ladies within this collaboration. I will link all their channels down below. And until next time, stay beautiful and stay safe and enjoy whatever you're doing. Bye guys.